As artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize industries, a wave of new job opportunities emerges, reshaping the employment landscape. These AI-driven roles are designed to meet the demands of an increasingly automated world, where technology plays a pivotal role. Companies are now seeking skilled professionals who can harness the power of AI to drive innovation and efficiency. One prominent job title in this evolving sector is the AI Ethics Specialist, a role crucial for guiding organizations in making responsible decisions that align with ethical principles while leveraging AI technology. In addition to ethics specialists, data scientists remain at the forefront of AI jobs. Their expertise in analyzing complex data sets enables businesses to extract meaningful insights, informing strategies and enhancing decision-making processes. Another emerging role, the AI business analyst, serves as a bridge between technical teams and business executives, ensuring that AI solutions align with organizational goals. As AI solutions become more integrated into business operations, the demand for professionals who can interpret and communicate the technology's impact will only grow, making the role of business analyst critical to success. To thrive in these new positions, individuals must cultivate a diverse skill set that adapts to the rapidly changing landscape. Technical skills, such as programming languages like Python and R, are essential for many AI roles. Moreover, understanding machine learning algorithms and tools can empower professionals to implement effective AI solutions. However, with technology constantly evolving, soft skills also play an equally vital role. Critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration are key attributes that will enable professionals to find innovative solutions to complex challenges in the workplace. Furthermore, a strong understanding of ethical AI practices is becoming increasingly important as companies navigate the implications of their technology. Professionals need to be equipped with knowledge about data privacy, bias mitigation, and fairness in AI application. Lifelong learning is paramount as well, as new tools and trends emerge in the field. Online courses, workshops, and networking opportunities can help future-proof careers as they adapt to the dynamic nature of AI occupations. In conclusion, the rise of AI is not merely a threat to jobs. It is a catalyst for new opportunities that require a blend of technical and soft skills. By focusing on the development of expertise needed to navigate this new terrain, professionals will position themselves as leaders in the AI revolution, guiding organizations toward a future where technology and human potential align harmoniously. As India stands on the brink of a technological revolution, the future with artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, is buzzing with potential. These advanced technologies promise to transform every sector, creating new avenues for innovation and growth. Imagine bustling cities where smart traffic systems seamlessly manage congestion, optimizing routes and saving countless hours for commuters. The fusion of AI with local infrastructure indicates a forward leap into a more organized, efficient future. In agriculture, AI and ML can revolutionize traditional practices. Picture vast fields equipped with drones surveilling crops, analyzing soil health, and predicting weather patterns to help farmers make data-driven decisions. This not only ensures higher yields, but also promotes sustainable farming practices. The integration of AI into agriculture could significantly boost India's economy while addressing food security for its billion-plus population, ensuring that no plate goes empty. When it comes to education, AI's potential is equally promising. Envision classrooms where personalized learning paths powered by AI cater to each student's unique learning style and pace. Adaptive learning platforms can analyze student performance in real time, providing instant feedback and tailored resources. This individual attention fosters a love for learning, empowering future generations with the skills necessary to thrive in a competitive global economy. Furthermore, enhanced access to quality education through AI can help bridge the urban-rural divide, ensuring equal opportunities for all. In healthcare, AI and ML can lead to groundbreaking advancements, reshaping patient experiences and healthcare delivery. Imagine AI algorithms that can diagnose diseases earlier than traditional methods by analyzing medical records and imaging. Personalized treatment plans incorporating vast data sets could revolutionize how we approach healthcare, making it proactive rather than reactive. AI-driven telemedicine could provide remote consultations for those in rural areas, bringing expert care to the most underserved populations. However, while the opportunities are immense, so too are the challenges. Ethical implications, job displacement, and data privacy issues must be actively addressed. India's commitment to developing a robust regulatory framework around AI and ML will be vital in navigating these complexities. By fostering innovation through responsible deployment of these technologies, India can secure its position as a global leader in the AI and ML landscape, creating a future where technology uplifts society. The future of India is intricately woven with the threads of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Picture bustling cities where intelligent systems seamlessly integrate into daily life, enhancing productivity and fostering innovation. As technology progresses, these smart solutions promise to transform various sectors, from agriculture to healthcare, ushering in an era of unprecedented growth and efficiency. Imagine the rural landscapes of India flourishing with precision farming powered by AI. Farmers will harness machine learning algorithms to analyze soil health, predict weather patterns, and optimize crop yields. With data-driven insights, they will make informed decisions that significantly enhance food production and ensure sustainable agricultural practices. The promise of technology will breathe new life into hard-working farmers, empowering them to thrive in a competitive market. In the healthcare arena, envision a network of AI-driven diagnostics capable of providing timely and accurate medical assessments. The revolution in medical imaging, predictive analytics, and personalized medicine will redefine patient care. With machine learning algorithms analyzing vast datasets, healthcare professionals will be equipped with tools that enable them to detect diseases at their earliest stages, resulting in more effective treatments and significantly improved patient outcomes. The education sector will also experience a metamorphosis, accommodating diverse learning styles through AI-powered platforms. Consider classrooms where adaptive learning technologies cater to the unique needs of every student, providing personalized pathways to knowledge. Automated grading systems will enable educators to focus more on fostering creativity and critical thinking rather than administrative tasks, thus nurturing a generation of thinkers and innovators. The business landscape will be reshaped as well, with AI streamlining operations, optimizing supply chains, and enhancing customer experiences. Visualize companies utilizing predictive analytics for strategic decision-making and customizing their offerings to meet individual consumer preferences. As startups rise and embrace innovation, they will create a vibrant ecosystem, propelling India towards a global leadership position in technology. As we look towards the horizon, the collaboration between government, academia, and industries will play a pivotal role in harnessing the full potential of AI and ML. Investments in research and development, coupled with robust policies and ethical frameworks, will ensure that India not only keeps pace with global advancements, but also pioneers novel solutions. The future of AI and ML in India is a canvas of limitless possibilities, waiting to be painted with the colors of innovation, productivity, and prosperity. As we look forward to 2026, the synergy between cloud computing and artificial intelligence, AI, is set to transform how businesses and individuals operate. Imagine an interconnected world where vast amounts of data are seamlessly stored, processed, and analyzed in real time across the cloud. The cloud becomes not just a repository, but a dynamic ecosystem that powers machine learning algorithms, enabling intelligent decision-making and automation on an unprecedented scale. The benefits of this transformation extend into various industries. For example, in healthcare, AI algorithms leveraging cloud computing can analyze patient data more efficiently than any medical professional. Picture a scenario where doctors receive real-time alerts on potential health risks, thanks to predictive analytics powered by the cloud. This not only streamlines patient care, but also enhances treatment outcomes by facilitating timely interventions based on an individual's health history and genetic profile. Moreover, the rise of edge computing will significantly impact the integration of AI and cloud services. Devices are becoming smarter, collecting data at the source. This means less latency and a more responsive experience for users. In 2026, we can envision a world where smart devices communicate seamlessly with cloud-based AI to optimize everything from energy consumption in smart homes to traffic management in cities. The blend of edge computing and cloud services will bring intelligence closer to where it's needed and foster a more interactive relationship between technology and everyday life. Security remains a critical consideration in this evolving landscape. The future of cloud computing and AI will demand robust security measures to protect sensitive data. Innovations such as decentralized cloud services and advanced encryption strategies could emerge, fostering greater trust among users. Organizations are likely to invest heavily in AI-driven security solutions that predict and prevent cyber threats, creating an environment where users feel reassured about the safety of their information. In conclusion, the intersection of cloud computing and AI in 2026 promises a future rich with potential. This collaboration will redefine how we interact with technology, revolutionizing industries and enhancing our daily lives. As businesses adapt to harness these technologies, the result will be an intelligent, efficient, and secure digital landscape that reflects our growing reliance on smart innovations. The possibilities are limitless, waiting to unfold in this exciting new era. In recent years, India has witnessed a remarkable transformation driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. This technological revolution is laying the groundwork for unprecedented growth across various sectors, thereby reshaping the Indian landscape. The integration of these advanced technologies is not only enhancing operational efficiency, but also creating innovative solutions to address some of the country's most pressing challenges. The healthcare sector in India has significantly benefited from the incorporation of AI and ML technologies. Predictive analytics are being utilized to forecast disease outbreaks and patient diagnoses, leading to faster and more accurate treatment. For instance, ML algorithms are analyzing vast amounts of patient data, allowing healthcare professionals to identify trends and make informed decisions. Telemedicine has also gained traction, and AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are improving patient engagement and access to healthcare services, especially in rural areas. In the realm of agriculture, AI and ML are empowering farmers with smart solutions, increasing productivity while minimizing waste. Precision farming, facilitated by AI, leverages data from sensors, satellites, and drones to provide insights into soil health, weather patterns, and crop yields. This information enables farmers to make real-time decisions regarding irrigation, pest control, and fertilization, ultimately leading to better harvests and improved food security. Moreover, AI-driven platforms are connecting farmers directly to consumers, ensuring fair pricing and reducing the number of intermediaries. India's burgeoning startup ecosystem is playing a pivotal role in driving AI and ML innovations. Young entrepreneurs are harnessing these technologies to create applications in fintech, edtech, and e-commerce sectors, fostering a culture of innovation. Additionally, collaborations between startups and large corporations are catalyzing the development of groundbreaking solutions that cater to the unique challenges faced by the Indian market. The government's initiatives, such as Digital India, provide further impetus for research and development, solidifying India's position as a global leader in AI. As we look to the future, the continuous evolution of AI and ML in India holds profound implications. These advancements not only promise improved efficiency and productivity, but also offer the potential for socio-economic transformation. By investing in education and reskilling, India can create a workforce adept in AI and ML, paving the way for a prosperous and technologically advanced future. Therefore, as the country embraces this technological frontier, the collective vision should be focused on harnessing the power of AI and ML to benefit all layers of society.